To get started with Aws Amplify Lambda functions, first understand what Lambda functions are. They are small pieces of code that run in response to events, allowing for scalable and cost-effective serverless computing. Begin by setting up an AWS account and installing the Aws Amplify CLI. The CLI is a command line tool that helps you create and manage your AWS resources. Once installed, configure the CLI by running the command amplify configure, and follow the prompts to set up your AWS credentials. Next, create a new Aws Amplify project by running the command amplify init. This will set up a new directory with the basic structure for an Aws Amplify project. Then, navigate to the project directory and run the command amplify add function to create a new Lambda function. Follow the prompts to choose the runtime and name for your function. Aws Amplify supports a variety of runtimes, including Node.js, Python, and Java. Choose the runtime that best fits your needs. After creating the function, navigate to the function directory and edit the index file to add your code. This is where you will write the logic for your Lambda function. For example, you can use Node.js to create a simple API endpoint that returns a hello message. To deploy the function, run the command amplify push. This will package and deploy your function to AWS. Once deployed, you can test the function by running the command amplify invoke. This will invoke the function and print the response to the console. Best practices for working with Aws Amplify Lambda functions include keeping your functions small and focused on a single task, using environment variables to store sensitive data, and monitoring your functions with AWS CloudWatch. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and deploy scalable and cost-effective serverless applications using Aws Amplify Lambda functions. Aws Amplify provides a powerful toolset for building serverless applications, and with practice, you can become proficient in using it to build robust and scalable applications.